Today I'm spending the night in Geneva in Switzerland. We call this Genève in French, Genève in La Suisse. La Suisse. I have lots of good memories of this place because I've been coming here forever with my family. Today I wanted you to take a walk in the city with me. Allez, c'est parti. I'm Géraldine, your French teacher. Welcome to Comme une Française. Today, like every Tuesday, I'm going to share with you a bit of French-speaking culture. Allez, en route. Geneva is a really beautiful city to walk around. There are lots of lakes, beautiful buildings, amazing museums and pretty views. And if you come, you absolutely have to see le jet d'eau de Genève, right here, the famous water jet in the middle of the lake. Le lac Léman is surrounded by the most beautiful villages. Geneva is right on the border between France and Switzerland, and this is what it makes the access so easy for French people. It is in the area of Switzerland that speaks French, even though not all of Switzerland speak French. It is not in the European Union, but everybody can come and visit. And there is something else that links me to Geneva. It's its train. So here we are in front of the super famous train station of Genève Cornavin, because my parents met in a train from Geneva to Paris. It is also a big center for European Protestantism historically, because it is in Geneva that Jean Calvin and other reformers from the 16th century created a new religious tradition called le Calvinisme. Le Calvinisme. By the way, do you know why I like Switzerland so much? Well, first of all, the flag is a big plus. Follow me on my holiday in the area. Just click on the screen and I will see you in the next video. À tout de suite!